In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the opening balance in Zoho Books. Handling financial records can be a bit challenging, but with just a few clicks, you'll have it all sorted out. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the appropriate section in your Zoho Books dashboard. Depending on whether you're dealing with customers or vendors, you'll either head over to the Sales section and click on Customers or go to Purchases and select Vendors. This step will set the context for which kind of opening balance you need to adjust, whether it's for someone who is buying from you or someone whom you owe money. Once you're in the right section, take a moment to find and select the specific customer or vendor whose opening balance you intend to edit. Keep in mind that it's crucial to pick the correct profile to ensure that your records are accurate. This is where an organized list really comes in handy, so take your time scrolling through and searching for the right name. After selecting the customer or vendor, you'll be directed to their detailed information page. Here, you'll want to look out for the section labeled Receivables if you are working with customers or Payables if you're dealing with vendors. This is where you'll manage the initial amount that needs adjusting. When you find this section, you should see an option that says View Opening Balance. Click on that and it will lead you to the next step of the process. Now that you have access to view the opening balance, you will notice a button labeled Edit. Click on this button to proceed further. This action will allow you to input the updated figures for the opening balance. Once you're in the edit mode, take a moment to carefully enter the new opening balance amount. Be diligent as accuracy here is key. Double-check the numbers you're entering to prevent any discrepancies in your financial records. After ensuring the new balance is correct, go ahead and click Save. This action will finalize your updates and your Zoho Books account will reflect the accurate financial statement. And there you have it. You've now successfully edited an opening balance in Zoho Books. This process helps in keeping your financial data precise and up to date, which is essential for clear and accurate accounting. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating your books can save a lot of time and confusion down the road. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.